This video briefly introduces you to the use case and examples you'll see throughout this course. In this course, we'll use a real-world use case inspired by a large online travel company, similar to Expedia, Orbitz, MakeMyTrip, or Ctrip. This relatable example will help you understand FlexVertex's capabilities through familiar scenarios, such as travel reservations, social networking, and credit card applications. By the end of this course, you'll see how FlexVertex can be applied to complex, real-world problems, providing robust solutions for data management and integration. In our training class, you'll benefit from a hosted server seamlessly accessed via the FlexVertex Commander. This setup allows you to focus on learning without worrying about technical setup. You'll work with an extensive number of examples, providing practical hands-on experience. These exercises are integrated throughout the class to reinforce learning at every step. Designed to be simple yet comprehensive, the exercises ensure you grasp key concepts while building a strong foundation and using FlexVertex. In the next video, we'll show you the class inheritance for our course examples.